Amberdy, and today we are making slime. But there's one thing special about the slime. We haven't tested this out, but it's going to be like a gel glue. It's a glue that is gel, and it's kind of weird, which I think is going to be really cool to test out and see if it works. Because you might want to try it, and it might be really bad. So first, watch us and see what happens. First, I'm going to pour in my glue. Oh my god. Oh, this is so beautiful. Hope this works. It's just so beautiful. And I'm going to be mixing with my fingers today.
Sorry.
Phew, because this is so pretty. Look how pretty and clear it is. But now it's time to add the activator and see what happens. Let's get a look at this. Okay.
More.
I don't want to add too much. Okay, it's enough that we're going to add. Okay, and I'm going to start with my fingers today. Oh, yes, I think it's going to work. It's going to work. It's going to work. See that? That's pure slime. It's going to work, and it's beautiful.
I'm glad that's not my hands in there.
It's your hands, everybody. That's what your hands are going to be when you're making this. You are not allowed to stir with a spoon. Just kidding. Don't stir with, like, the utensils. Just, yeah, stir with, like, maybe, like, those. You know the thing, what are they called? The other utensils that are just trash that you can throw in the trash.
We've been using paint stir sticks, is what we've been using.
Yeah, but you can...
But not today.
Yeah, I'm using my hands.
Today we're using Amberdy fingers.
They are so powerful. Don't listen to me, everybody.
That's turning into a nice color.
Yeah, add more activator.
Let's do. Hold still.
Give it to me.
All right, let's add a little more activator.
Hurry.
Whoa, too
You
much.
made a bubble.
I didn't mean to pour that much.
Oh, I don't care.
We'll put the lid on it now.
Oh, it sounds like fart.
Thanks. Thanks for sharing.
Did Daddy fart?
Shh. I'm getting to it.
What?
Said I'm getting to it.
Hello?
Ah. Creepy.
Amazing, 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 amazing. Gotta get all the glue so it's perfect. Gotta get all the glue so it's done. This is actually, it's very translucent. So, if you're thinking about gel glue and it was gonna get translucent, then everybody, you are right. Because this is sort of translucent. It's really pretty. Yes! Bad! This gel slime feels so good. It doesn't even feel like real slime. It just feels like nice, nice, nice. And it's so much a pretty color. So if you're thinking about, you're making gel slime, go for it. It's amazing. Oh, yeah, yeah. What? All right, let's see how good it does.
You gotta poke the holes in it too.
Yeah, I know. Doesn't do that good for bubbles. But how good does it do with poking? And it feels just so nice. It feels like more watery. Wait, does it jiggle? No, it can't. Okay, I thought that's how they made it watery. Jiggly slime. Okay. That's the best poking.
That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Okay. And then you fold it again. And then you put it back and fold it. That's how I do it. Sometimes. See how good it bounces on the table. Okay, it might be too heavy. Okay, it's too heavy. But it's so funny, and it's a really, really pretty color. I really like it. It feels like so watery and nice. It kind of feels like water. It's straight up water. And this reminds me of like Christmas or winter, and literally this is most what it looks like. It looks literally like cotton candy. It's just like
it
the
does.
blue one. It's like cotton candy. You can totally trick somebody with
Okay,
this.
stretch it. Woohoo. What was that?
I love the sparkles in it. It gives it more like a magical effect. And like you can see, it's like a little bit translucent. Just a teeny bit. But I was just
Well, we got those
buying
sparkles
this.
from the
Yeah.
slime activator. It glows and it has little teeny sparkles in it.
We're gonna text out to Glow, but if you're thinking about buying this kind of glue, gel glue, I recommend. What do you call it?
Recommend?
Yeah, recommend to buy it because it feels so nice. It is so worth it, but it might take you so freaking long to mix it, unless you have like somebody help you, like your dad. I'd consider your dad because he probably has more muscles than your mom. Oh, it's really good. That feels really nice. Oh, okay. We're just gonna, put this over the lamp and then turn off the lights and it will glow. Wait, should we see if it'll glow even that we don't charge it?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Turn the lights out. Okay, last light.
Woo! Okay, this feels so good, and it feels like so weird because I never had gel slime, and gel slime feels really nice, and just poking it while it's glowing, it just makes it more satisfying and more
Stretch it.
like nice. It's a glowing beam. No. Oh my god, look at the activator.
Yeah, it glows too.
No slime beats the activator, and this beat the activator. You know what's weird? I just saw that like flash really quick. Or maybe I'm going crazy. Crazy. Bum. Oh, I have a sandwich. Oh. Okay, this slime was a success. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to just be a horrible mess. Just messy. I don't like it. Wait, I thought it was green.
I gotta go in a second.
Alright,
Say goodbye.
anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. We'll see you on next. Goodbye.